If your car battery voltage fluctuates between 12 volts and 2 volts while driving, yet the vehicle starts without a hitch. It's puzzling, right? Let's crack this nut. The first suspect could be the alternator. When driving, the alternator must sustain a consistent voltage. However, if internal components like the regulator become faulty, they might lead to these fluctuations. Regularly inspect the alternator for wear and tear. Voltage drops also arise from poor connections. Imagine loose battery terminals or corroded wiring similar to those ghastly tech issues we encounter with poor Wi-Fi. It's really crucial to clean and secure all connections. A wire brush and a bit of elbow grease work wonders here. About the battery itself, a weak or failing battery might discharge quicker, especially during high demand situations like starting or when using electronics. Even if the car starts fine, it doesn't mean the battery's out of the woods. Testing the battery's health using a multimeter can be revelatory, and check the car's supplemental systems too. Parasitic draws from devices like AC or extensive car stereos can pull voltage, causing fluctuations. And I know they make drives more fun, but that subwoofer could be a sneaky culprit, a balancing act between fun and function. Now look at the serpentine belt driving the alternator. It could be showing its age, wearing down like a washed out yoga mat. If it's slipping, the alternator won't spin as efficiently, leading to fluctuating voltage outputs. Some regular maintenance checks can nip this in the bud. How about ground connections? Often overlooked, rusty or disconnected ground strap can mimic gremlins messing with your electrical systems. Inspecting and cleaning, this can stabilize your car's electrical temperament quicker than you can say WD-40. Remember, the battery is akin to a savings account. Voltage fluctuations might signify the deposits and withdrawals aren't balancing well. And it's a reminder to periodically check charging systems to ensure that they're funding your driving perfectly. Speaking of checks, investing in a reliable voltmeter might be wise. These small tools can give on-the-go readings to ensure voltage stays within the optimal range, much like our fitness trackers prevent those sudden health surprises. Knowledge is power. Don't forget the fuses, those tiny soldiers safeguarding your car circuits. Compromised fuse can intermittently disrupt the flow of electricity, akin to a gatekeeper allowing sporadic visitors. Ensuring fuses are intact is the order of the day. Your car's age matters too. Older cars might have issues rooted deeply in aging systems. If your car graduated from auto high school some time ago, additional checks from professional eyes are often a smart move. Time can wear any machine. A pro tip, keep an eye on warning lights while driving. They serve as an early detection system, signaling deeper issues buried under your dashboard. Golden rule, better to fix little things now than face costly repairs later. And finally, well, it's tempting to brush off this problem since the car starts fine. Remember, the devil is in the details. What begins as a small spark can become a fire of issues if left unchecked. Proactive maintenance isn't just smart, it's essential.